Right, I just to make sure we set it back up there. We did plug it in, tried the lights out, they work great. Tried the outlets with the switches and they work good too. And I set it back up here just to make sure we were at center, so everything was right. And you know, based on my previous calculations, this being center and making that the center mark, actually the real center is here. And Kim had previously made a mark on the edge of that, and it lined up perfectly. So that's exactly center, and we figured 2 feet on either side of center would be appropriate to put a 2x4 on the wall here. And so I just marked a real faint line right at the top of the mantle, and then I'll get another piece of wood that's 3/4 of an inch, or just measure down 3/4 of an inch and draw a line, and then that's where the 2x4 will sit. So the mantle sits on top of it, right? Gonna boop, sit down there, and I can screw down into it. And that'll anchor it. Everything will be cool. All right, so I'm gonna mount the 2x4 to the wall. I'll get back to you.